Okay, we're back with part 2. Looking at scheduling I'm going to attempt to schedule a building inspection. And I said earlier that I would try to see if it will let me do it, allow it to pass first, but I didn't realize at the time that I was looking at all these other inspections that were for different permits, so I wasn't looking at one permit, I was looking at a bunch of different permits. So the permit that I deleted, or the inspection that I deleted off of this permit, only has one inspection that's pending. So I guess I'll test to see first if it will deny it instead of allow it to pass. So anyway, let me try. Let's see what happens. Now I'm going to attempt to do a building final. Alright. So if this works correctly, it's going to stop me from scheduling it and give me the message saying you can't schedule it until Arbor's final has been passed. Okay, that's normal. Now let's see if it actually stops it. Okay, well, there's a balance due. Okay, let's pay the balance. Let's pay the balance real quick. I'll try it again. Because it stopped it before it got to my script, so that's fine. Paying in cash. Okay, now we've got a zero balance. Now let's see, it shouldn't stop us now from scheduling the building final because of a balance. So let's try it again. Okay, got our inspector. Aha. Wait. Okay, there's my message. That's good. Until the permit status is issued. Oh, I know why. Because I did the plus equals. So that was somehow... Let me check something. Huh. Well, it is issued. I don't think it should have picked that up, but what do I know? So I'm going to go ahead and just make this equals and not plus equals. Okay, let's try it again. Make sure, let's see if that fixed that first message anyway. Yes. Cannot schedule a building final until it has passed an arborist final inspection. Okay, so it does work. Now, let's try to give it a... Let's try to go ahead and schedule a arborist final now. And we'll say it passed. Okay. Oh, I'm looking at, hold on. This is one permit number. That's a different permit number. I thought I was looking at this. Alright, so evidently it's not passed, or it's not issued, so maybe I will put back that plus equals in there, because that would make sense. Where's status? There it is. Status. Okay, I'm going to make it issued. Plus equals. And plus equals. Okay. Did I update that? Alright, now. So, I'm on the right thing here. We've got status of issued. Go back to inspections. Okay. I'm on the right thing here. So let's schedule this arborist final. Okay. That works. Or that at least scheduled it. Now, hold on. I'm going to retry. I haven't resulted this yet. I'm going to retry to schedule this building final. And it should give me a can't schedule message. Okay, good. Okay, now I'm going to result it as passed. So, okay, arborist final, passed. Now, building final. Let's see if we can schedule the building final. Okay, looks like the script works. So that is how you allow or disallow inspections from being scheduled, depending on if other inspections have been resulted in a certain way. Alrighty, and here's the script again, just to let you look at it. Alrighty, thanks for watching.